relentless and sometimes ruthless with competitors.
Alright, this is the Airbnb that we'll be staying at for a couple days. So I guess a 3-story Airbnb. So I think all 3 floors will be ours to use. So it's I guess a grand tour of the Airbnb that we'll be staying at. So there's slippers for indoor use. Stairs leading up. One room here. With I guess lots of futons. An air conditioner. So I guess the bathroom. Yep. It's one of those stand showers, I guess. Got your shampoo, body soap, conditioners. Right, so since I have the cat with me, as you can tell right here, we decided to take a room with the easiest access, which is on the first floor. There you go. There we go. So yeah, this is the room. First floor room, I guess. There's my cat. So this is a pet okay Airbnb, so yeah, we'll be here for a couple days. Okay. First thing that comes in here is the kitchen, I guess. We've got the garbage cans, microwave, a water kettle. I guess this is the IH thing that you can use electricity for heating up pans. Rice cooker. Some cups, I guess. I'm guessing these are utensils. Yeah, that's a lot. Bowls. There's a fridge here. Pretty big one. Oh, humidifiers. Hey there. Globes, a TV, extension cords, those toys, and house rules. This is the bedroom. Here's another bathroom. You can see. Right here is another bedroom. Cool. It's a pretty big bedroom, I guess. Pretty nice the way it looks. Of course, there's no smoking allowed. No loud noise. Quite well.